All right, y'all, I've been outside. Now I'm back in the house. For this video, I am going to be getting this family room a much needed update. It was terrible in here. I actually just got this sofa and love seat. It's not new. Someone my mom knew was selling it, and y'all, when I tell you this was a steal, $200 for both of these pieces, and it's the wide big back, I call it big back, recliner on all of the seats. Every seat reclines. So this was like, and it's in very good condition. So I could not pass this up. So it's mine now. And I am going to be recreating this space and just making it a little homey and to be able to utilize it because it was just space that was really holding my son's sofa, and I was tired of looking at that. So sorry if you guys hear dogs in the background. I'm trying to do a voiceover and they're not trying to let me do it silently. So I am in the process right now of getting this room together. I did do this side and I still have some other things to do, but I will go ahead and show you guys everything that I have done so far. I have purchased some stuff from Amazon, like the curtains, the rug, and it's just the curtains and the rugs. I think and the TV stand thing that you guys, well, it's not a TV stand, it's a console table, that I purchased. It took me forever to put that together. I would have recorded me doing some of it, but y'all, it took me forever to get that thing together. So, but the pictures I got from Hobby Lobby, with the 3 pictures, well, it's actually 4 pictures, and the lamp I got from Hobby Lobby. Everything else I already had. I do want to add some throw blankets to this area, and I want to get a plant, a faux plant, because I need all of my plants to be upstairs where I can remember to water them. So I want to get just like a tall plant to put down here in the corner over by the love seat. Yeah, and I want to shout out my uncle because he hung my TV up on the wall for me. So, and I know he's probably not going to see this video, but I wanted to give him a little shout out for coming through. Alright, y'all, I haven't done a grocery haul in a good minute, so I just wanted to share this one. This is mainly an essential haul or stuff we're running low on or we have ran completely out on. Before I show you the haul, y'all, I wanted to put y'all on this because I didn't just buy these. I bought these earlier last week. Got these from Aldi. They're pretty good. And also, these are pretty good. And then there's this I didn't get from Aldi. Where did I get this from? Maybe I got it from Walmart. I'm not sure. And then these two dips right here that I got from Aldi, these are really good too. This one is spicy, so just want to put that out there. If you're not fond of spicy things, don't try this one. It's really spicy. From my haul, this haul is from Aldi. Not Aldi. This haul is from Walmart and BJ's. So, we need more eggs. This is my favorite wax warmer scent. I always get these from Walmart. They have them all year round. And then I got the Warmwood and Jasmine Airwick. I think I usually get the cashmere wood. I don't know. I can't remember, but it's not Airwick that has it. I want to say it's Glade brand, but I'm hoping this is like the same thing. I got my brown gravy because I'm making some pepper steak tonight for dinner. It's Sunday, by the way. Got a sweet onion. I got my bell peppers. I got ground turkey. And then this is the meat that I normally would use for when I make my pepper steak. If they don't have this, then I normally get the thin cut steaks and then just slice them up myself. Running low on taco sauce. I make tacos every week. And then these, I've never had these burgers. These are square burgers. I guess they're like Wendy's burgers. Then I got some butter, hamburger buns, my favorite coffee. The girls, I started to buy them these Fresh Pet treats. They love these. And then I got them 2 of the Fresh Pet Small Dog. I feed them kibble as well, just to give them a mixture. And then I love these plantain chips. I haven't bought them in a while, but I decided to get some today. Got some more of these cookies. Got them 2 things of apple juice. These muffins, y'all, are pretty good, so I went ahead and bought some more. It's just something to eat quickly. They have these in another brand. I think it's, I can't remember. I'm not even going to say. But this is the stuff that is from Aldi, y'all, by the way. Not Aldi. I keep saying Aldi. It's from BJ's, this stuff right here. I'm all out of order. Yes, it's open because I was a big bag on the way home from the store. I had to open it already, okay? I got a case of these. Got our rice that we love. We already had some, so I didn't have to get 2 this time. Got some honey buns. And then I got a case of water. And I think that, got these cookies. Now, y'all, these cookies are only good if they're soft to me. When they hard, I don't like them. And then from BJ's also, I got the 2 cases of this juice we always get. And then back to Walmart. I don't know if what I'm selecting is 2 of these, because this is the second time this has happened where I ended up with 2 of them. I don't recall hitting the quantity of 2, but got 2 again. Those other ones lasted a while, so I won't complain. Got the Arizona, which is a staple in the house. And y'all, these right here, I meant to show y'all with the other stuff I got from Aldi. They taste like the Girl Scout cookies. The lemon Girl Scout cookies with the lemon icing on the bottom. That's what these taste like. And we needed some more bleach. This is my favorite dish detergent to use. Ran out of bar soap. Y'all, I love to use bar soap first before I use my body wash. It just seems like a cleaner clean to me. We needed some more hand soap. Needed some more toilet bowl cleaner. Oh, wrong way. Lysol, lime, and rust. I haven't cooked a Velveeta meal in a long time, so I decided to go with this. My little favorite Teddy Grahams, uh, berry malts, and I think we're back to the other side. So that's it for this haul. All right, I'm gonna walk you guys through how I make my pepper steak. So of course you gotta cook. I cook my steak first, and for the seasoning, I add lots of lemon pepper, um, the Badea complete seasoning, and I normally add a lot more than what I'm adding this time, but I went a little light on the seasoning this time. Um, I'm adding garlic powder and onion powder as well. I would normally put paprika, and then there's another seasoning that I use, but I didn't add it this time. Um, but yeah, I cook the meat first, and then once that gets almost done or completely done, I will add the vegetables, the chopped up onions, bell peppers, and onions, and then I'll add more seasoning, the same seasonings to the bell peppers, and then I'll let that cook down, and then I add the brown gravy, and then let that simmer over everything, and that's it. And I just normally cook this with rice, and I'll have the rice in the rice cooker. All right, y'all. It is Sunday night. I don't know what time it is. I know it's almost 11 o'clock. Um, I just finished, well, I just got out of the shower, but prior to that, I just finished helping my youngest son register for his college classes. I am so, I'm like, I don't know how to act not having a child in public school anymore. This is like because technically he would have been going back to school next week if he was still in public school. So I'm a little emotional still trying to adjust to not having to be that mama to have a child in public school, because baby, if you know, you know. And especially when they are involved in after school activities. Oh my goodness. But this one, he keeps me going. I'll be glad when he gets licensed and get a vehicle, because this baby, he do not sit still. He be grinding just like me. He be on the go. And he just got back. We went to Orlando last week. If you missed the video, the vlog of that, go back and watch it. It was my last video. But he just got back from Orlando again today. So I'm like, this little boy here, he be grinding. So I was happy to help him. He's scheduled, and I have to go take him Tuesday. I'll probably go Tuesday to let him go to the campus, because he was supposed to have open house while we were on vacation, so he couldn't go to that. So I'll be taking him on Tuesday, just so he can pick up his books and just kind of see the campus and all that. But this is gonna close out the video. This is my schedule is about to be mayhem again starting tomorrow. I thought I had a whole nother week off, but the text message that I received on Friday said that that was a lie. So I am back on the grind officially tomorrow. I've been on the grind, but not as bad as I normally would be. So I'm probably gonna start. Well, this video is gonna be dropped on Monday anyways, but I will probably have to go back to dropping my videos on Monday evenings versus Sunday until I don't know how long it'll be like that, but just wanted to let you guys know that. I thank you guys for watching, and I will chat with y'all in the next video. God bless.